AI will not replace you. Your competitors and rivals using AI will. So what will AI achieve for your online business growth? AI Unlimited unique websites for your businesses, promotional products, services, or business opportunities. SEO optimized and all fully functional. Ready to use and collect names, email addresses, and cell numbers. Created in 1 minute. Unlimited AI landing pages, including compelling, persuasive copywriting and eye-catching pictures. Unlimited AI sales funnels, helping guide your prospects to further information and to the checkout sales page. Our AI has the ability to create your branded colors best suitable for your business or business's niche market, font styles and colors in just a few minutes, enabling you to promote yourself and your business as the authority figure in your niche. Unlimited AI emails. Email series created for your business niche in just a few minutes. These emails help you to stay connected with your prospects to build those business relationships and close those sales. Unlimited AI targeted prospects for your businesses, including social media links, cell number, multiple email addresses, gender, date of birth, location, interest and skills, work and education. Message prospects numerous different ways and follow-up calendar reminders so never overlook a prospect again. To help you close those sales, our AI provides you with personality analysis and sales tactics. With a database of over 2.2 billion, our AI finds your future customers in seconds. This is not an outdated list of random names or emails, these are targeted prospects for your specific business interests. With our AI customer onboarding streamlined process, you will be ready to promote your business in 5 minutes. Website, business branding and emails all done. Our marketing team will also create social media campaigns especially for your business audience. Oh, I forgot to mention, you also get full access to our in-house marketing team of experts in your subscription. They will create for you unlimited content. Give your social media platforms and other areas of creativity a boost to be seen as the leading force in your niche. Contact Yvonne because your success is important to her. Share your business needs and goals. Let's discuss these AI solutions included for your online business prosperity.